Oh, Adam.
Adam.
Kids.
That's because you love books.
The truth is, the two of you
One
love books.
and active devotions for kids.
Oh, excellent.
Sunday school choruses, Sunday school choruses, Sunday school choruses. That's all it has. Oh,
Say
oh,
thank
why
you,
is
Liz
the
and Maureen.
dollar-
There should be one more thing in there.
There's something else inside too, Adam.
There is. Oh, 3 presents. No, 4. New mac and cheese.
What
Is
is
there something else in there, or did you open it already?
There's something else. There's something else. There's a big present.
Did you? Okay.
Oh. And we could start this one. Look. This is nice.
The cat's getting into the food.
Oh no!
Someone,
He heard you say that. Who, me?
Like licking. Licking his lips.
That's just enough.
Hey.
Look inside.
Ooh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you.
Ooh. Wow.
Thank you, Maury.
Right,
Thank you,
right.
Liz. That's lovely.
But it's
Just
French.
Put that up.
Oh,
Put
what?
that up right near your bed.
Adam.
And look, see his buddy.
That rose, you have to plant it.
Oh.
Okay, you want to hold it?
What is it?
Mommy will read it to you later.
Oh.
I started the video with Kevin sleeping. I'm ending it.
Look at this.